Hello everyone, Kayla here, and I am back with the second video of the Eco series, or you can count it as a third video if you count that video I did with the Eco black castor and flaxseed oil gel that I did. So anyhow, I am back now with the, where's the front of this? With the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. Now, the price is about the same as the last one. It's like $3 and some change, $2 and some change, something like that, depending on your area. They price these locally, no matter where you buy them. I bought them at Walgreens, and the price is not the same. So I don't want to tell y'all a price, and then you tell my Kayla is lying, okay? So these have the yellow tinted container with the red top. I think that they have another gel that has a yellow tinted container, but I'm just not sure. If you guys know what that gel is, if there is another one with a yellow tinted container, go ahead and leave that below in the comments. Or I think maybe they did a formula change on this and there's like two different jars floating around. I'm not quite sure because I'm new to this. I'm not really part of the Eco using crew, so I don't know all the ins and outs of Eco, you know. Now, the ingredients of this particular product, water is the first ingredient, carbomer is the second ingredient, and hydrolyzed wheat protein is the third ingredient. So you want the carbomer to be higher because that means it's a higher hold gel. This is a level 10. And then the wheat protein, yeah, there's protein in it, you know, for people who avoid protein. It's in here. The smell. Let me talk about this smell. It's strong with a C. It has, like the last one I did had a masculine smell. The green one with the green tinted container and the green lid has a masculine smell, and it's not that strong though. This has a fruity body wash smell. Yeah, it smells straight like a body wash. I would think that if you close my eyes and I smell it, I would think it was a body wash. No, it couldn't smell like anything else but a body wash. And it's so strong that it almost burns. I put this on a dry wash and go. In fact, in my no product challenge video, that is a wash and go done entirely from dry hair with this. It had so much hold that I hated it. Rinsed water over it, smoothed over it, and that's how the hair is in that video. I actually kind of liked it. But it used a lot more gel than normal for me to get that slippery feeling I'm used to. Now this wash and go, the back is styled with this gel because I used the rest of this gel on the back of my hair. I think a wash and go is a wash and go is a wash and go with my hair, but I will turn around so that you can see how this looks on my hair. And keep in mind, my hair is on day, today is Thursday, I wash my hair on Sunday, do the math. All right. So hopefully I was in frame. I never know if I'm in frame when I do that, but that's what my hair is looking like with this gel. And I will say that when I applied it and it was full around, it was around my face, I did kind of almost feel irritated a little bit because the smell is so strong and overpowering. As far as the hold, I do think that it has a nice hold, but I do feel that it is slightly, just slightly a notch below that hold of the Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. I feel almost as if it's like maybe a 9.5, 9.8. I feel weird saying 9 point something because I know good and well that it's 9 8/10. I know good and well the right way to say a decimal, but I'm just, this is YouTube. This is the, y'all ain't in Mrs. V's 5th grade math and science class, but so I really would not purchase this gel. It's got hold, it's got flake free, it's got all those things. I mean, it even has a decent little sheen to it. It's not super shiny like my normal gel, and it's not gonna give me 11-day hair like my normal gel, but it's good enough because some people struggling out here to get 3 days. It's okay, but the smell being so strong that I am like, I feel like my eyes are burning, and even when I open it and sniff out of it, it's burning to me. That's not acceptable. I cannot have a gel that is making me feel sick. And so, and then y'all know my hair takes forever to dry, so it's wet a long time and wet with something on it that I find irritating. I will say the smell does dissipate after a while, so you're not going to continue to smell like that. But no. It's a no. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that somebody found this helpful in some type of way, shape, or form. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your natural friends, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.